This video is going to be tidying up my garage. I pretty much built all the shelves I want to build. So I got lots to tidy up now. Let me turn you around and show you. So I got to get my workbench all cleaned off. A little chilly in here again today. And get all this corner all cleaned up and put everything back where it goes. It's going to take a while, so I'm not going to video the whole thing of me walking around in circles. So I'll bring you back when that part's over. Well, all my shelves are done. I built another one this morning real quick for my air compressor and then my box of bungee cords. But I think it turned out not too bad. Sure cleaned up my bench really good, which was I was really looking for, so I can work on stuff. Put up all my old stuff up on the roof, or the ceiling I mean. Some more of those signs up there. This is one of the other shelves I built that you guys didn't really have to watch. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff on there. All my trailer hitches, which I have too many of. Cleaned up really good. Still don't know where I'm gonna put those big wrenches yet out of my work truck. I think it turned out pretty well. So my next video, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Be something tomorrow. It's getting late in the day already. I'm thinking maybe my compressor, which is right there. I think I might do it. Get rid of that little one. Have more air power. Thanks for watching. This is going to be a pretty short video. I'll see you on the next one. So I'm going to make a little funny video. My glasses case broke a couple days ago. Cover fell off. I told my wife I was going to fix it with duct tape, and she didn't think that was right, but I'm going to do it anyways. Just like red-green. Stick her on there good. This is going to be a short video, but it's pretty funny. My wife's not going to be happy. All right, thanks.